Look at all the birdies. You happy, right, boy? You want to catch them? You see them? Look at all those birds. Look at all those birds that he's seeing. He got a lot of birds. Even he got a bird up there, too. You see that bird up there? Look at all those birds. He's so happy. Look at his face. Look at it. See, this is my movie, my own personal movie. This is what I love. Ooh, look at more birdies came. More birdies for me to eat. I bet you that's what song he's singing in his head. The birdie, eat the birdie song. Catch 'em too, right, boy? Look at him. He can't even get his eye off of the prizes. He's like, I can't believe that right now. I am getting this crazy movie. I am so excited. I can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. So many. Oh man. I just want to eat them. You like that, don't you, boy? Yep, he loves him some birds. If he could just look at birds all day, he would do nothing else. That's the one he got his eye on. You see, oh, he got two over there now. Look at him. Look at his hand. He holding himself up. See that guy? See that cat? He's holding himself up watching a flick. A chick flick. A chick flick. I'm silly. Look, he's like, up, on the prowl. Maybe I could see him better from here. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Look at it. Look at him. Hunting. Look at that tail. He's telling you everything you need to know right now. Say 101, 101 skills.